Visitor traffic to website is like water to fish, and undoubtedly working on off-page SEO is a great way to bring traffic to your site. According to the available statistics, Google processes more than 40,000 search queries every single second on an average. Hence, to ensure that your website ranks at the top or at least in the first few search results, it is crucial for determining the amount of traffic it gets. That's where the role of off-page SEO techniques comes into the picture. Hi, my name is Komal Kashish and you're welcome to our channel Natli. Today I'll talk about best off-page SEO techniques in 2021 to drive organic traffic to your website. And yes, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you got notified when we launch more of such videos. Before we delve into the latest off-page SEO techniques that will help you to drive organic traffic in 2021, let's first briefly understand off-page SEO. Now, what is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is a set of optimization activities that need to be conducted outside of any website. For instance, if links with good domain authority and comments point towards your page, search engines would probably assume that your page has some great content that is of real value to users. This makes the website rank higher on search engines. The tricky part here is that as Google changes its algorithms, certain SEO strategies or approaches become more effective in bringing maximum traffic than others. So you need to stay on your toes and be aware of the most effective SEO strategy. Moving forward, let's get to the complete list of the top off-page SEO techniques. Number 1. Backlinking. Backlinking is the most effective strategy for off-page SEO. To start with, decide on the backlinking goals you seek to achieve. Conduct thorough research about domain authority and jot down the page links that have good domain authority. Another important question that pops up is whether you should prefer quality or quantity when choosing websites that backlinks to your own. Well, as per the experts, neither of the two is better. Both the quality and quantity of backlinks play a vital role, and a lot depends upon the type of online business one has. If you believe in getting backlinks only after cherry-picking those websites that have high domain authority rather than generating too many backlinks from spam websites, you are likely to get high quality but a smaller number of visitors. On the other hand, getting backlinks from any and every site you own will get you a massive amount of low commitment traffic, so choose wisely. Number 2. Social media engagement. For the longest period, experts have witnessed a direct correlation between social media and search engine rankings of a specific page. Although Google does not consider the share counts from social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook for deciding the ranking, social media engagement still plays an important indirect role in helping your website rank. The real question is how? Well, higher social engagement rates help increase the number of unique individuals who engage with a post or see a new post. This directly increases the CTR or click-through rate, which can further drive vast amounts of traffic to your website. Number 3. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is undoubtedly one of the most trending online marketing approaches. The most commonly allocated influencer marketing budget is $1,000 to $10,000 per year, which is further followed by $1 lakh to $5 lakh per year according to BigCommerce. Influencers generally have a huge number of followers that look up to them and follow their advice and product or service recommendations. Thus, influencer marketing holds a high potential of driving traffic to your website, helping it rank higher on search engines. One can decide to pay influencers in cash or offer them free products or services in return for the promotion or influencing that they do. Number 4. Answer questions on relevant platforms. Answering questions is one of the smarter ways to bring more traffic to your website and help it rank higher on Google. For this, actively participate in the question and answer community and sites like Reddit, Yahoo, Quora, and post informative answers for questions related to your topic. Quora marketing can help you generate thousands of organic leads in a month. Number 5. Pick the right keywords. Another factor that is imperative for your SEO strategy to work is picking the right keywords. You need to keep in mind that Google does not know which keywords you are trying hard to rank for. So, to help them rank, use those keywords a greater number of times than others. However, make sure you balance all the keywords on your page, keeping a check on the recommended densities. Find those keywords on Reddit which aren't tapped yet. A very few people know that Reddit is a gold mine for untapped keywords, especially the long tail ones. Number 6. Laying out internal pages. Do you know that number of links to a web page shows its importance as compared to other pages on the same site, according to the Google's 200 ranking factors by Brian Dean. Optimizing your site's internal pages makes a significant difference in improving the rankings. Interlink the pages through random keywords, mostly using the brand name. Build a few static pages which connect the supporting posts and category pages. This way, when a link is sent to the home page, the browsing flows through supporting and category pages, which helps boost search performance. Number 7. Guest posting. Many people believe that guest posting is dead, but this is simply not the case. Guest posting done smartly can help your website rank higher in searches. The reality is that Google now cracks down on every shady guest post. This means doing a huge number of crappy guest posting puts you at a high Google penalty risk. Also, once you link together all pages that address a common or a related topic to offer a rich user experience. Another thing to note here is that Google devalues links that appear in the author's bio space. So instead of putting your link in the author's bio of your guest post, link it to your site through the article's body. Number 8. Good quality content. Although this is not one of the SEO strategies, however, one thing is for sure. Without having a website with good quality, shareable content that is added to it regularly, almost no off-page SEO strategy would work. Try to write long pieces of content. Ideally, the content length should be more than 1200 words. Add images to make the content visually appealing to the reader. Lastly, back it up with relevant facts and statistics to make a point. This will make the task of asking for backlinks easier, as people will be eager to link to a good content piece. Number 9. Forum posting. Almost every webmaster uses forum posting as an off-page technique in SEO. Forum posting gives a handful of backlinks to your site and organically brings traffic of visitors once Google indexes that specific forum. Getting into the details, signature is present below every forum post. Add your website's link inside that signature box using an anchor text. While selecting a forum, pick the ones that have a niche like yours. Number 10. Social bookmarking. Over the years, social bookmarking has been a great SEO technique to garner massive traffic to a site. Web pages that get bookmarked on sites for social bookmarking catch the eyes of search engines. It not only helps bring traffic to a website, but also gives one an opportunity for content to go viral and get in a bunch of quality backlinks. For this, one need to create a business profile on some of the best social bookmarking websites. This helps create brand awareness for your product or service. Post content regularly on bookmarking sites to attract targeted traffic to your website. Since these sites are authoritative, web crawlers usually scroll through them. When you place a link to your site on such bookmarking sites, Google gets informed. Number 11. Broken link building. Broken link building is a very effective technique in terms of off-page SEO. It is also known as dead link building. This is different from traditional guest blogging, but the success rate is higher than it. All you need to do is to perform these steps for broken link building. Number 1. Perform an analysis of backlinks on any website and find their broken links. Number 2. Reach them through email and let them know about this. By doing this, you may also get a natural link from the website. Last but not the least, number 12. Using infographics. The average human attention span is around 8 seconds. And with this short span, people like access to quick information where they could just hover the content and get the glimpse. While it is important to write blogs explaining every bit in detail, infographics have become a must. Infographics provide information shortly and more engagingly. People like to read infographics as they are attractive to look at and easy to understand than going through the whole blog. Also, infographics can help you to generate backlinks, and at the same time, the sharing of infographics can result in the rise in your blog traffic. Now that you know a bunch of highly effective off-page SEO techniques that can help you drive massive organic traffic in 2021. So what are you waiting for? Try them out for your website and experience how it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do share it. Click on the like icon and tell people about it. Did you like our research? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you have used any of the software mentioned above, do let us know how your experience has been. Your valuable feedback will help other viewers. Also, let us know what topics you would like us to cover in our upcoming videos. There are blog links in the description below that you can go through for more detailed information. See you soon on our next video.